Hello, and this is Zane from Motive Solutions, and today we're going to be talking about ImpulseSync. If you haven't heard, ImpulseSync is a low to no code content orchestration hub that can be easily set up and running within days. Be it a content migration project or just building reliable content pipelines between applications, ImpulseSync provides an alternative to custom point-to-point integration scripts that commonly break and take even months to deliver. Now I'm going to show how ImpulseSync can easily extract content from any source and deliver it perfectly to any application, no matter the format, schema, or information architecture. And we're going to be demonstrating that today by going from one legacy CMS to 3 different CMSs. Let's get started. First, we're going to run this job. Now once this job is being ran, we're going to see this little loading bar, and we'll know once it's done when this loading bar goes away. Now let's take a look at our content. In our legacy CMS, we have 2 pieces of content, and we have only just a couple of fields in them, and we're going to sync these content over to each of these 3 destinations on the right side. Now, let's take a look at ImpulseSync itself and the various tools that can help migrate your content from the source to destination. Starting off, we have our dashboard, and in our dashboard, we have a variety of different information here. We have a job wheel to show the amount of jobs that are running and that you have. We have an endpoints wheel to show the amount of endpoints that you have, and even our transactions and our finished transactions. And we can see with this, we have a variety of different tools to help report and keep track of all the content that is being synced over in each job. We have our total content delivered, our total content errored, our queued messages, and our running messages. And this is all to help report and keep track of everything that you are moving over. Now the next thing I'd like to talk about is our jobs. Our jobs are what we use to sync our content over from the source to the destination. We define these by our endpoints. Our endpoints are what we use in conjunction with our custom-built connectors to connect to each of these CMSs and migrate the content over. In addition to that, with our jobs, we have a variety of different mapping features in order to make sure that your content gets to the destination exactly as you need. And it's very simple, very easy to set up. ImpulseSync is low to no code content orchestration hub. Now with that being said, we can go over and we can wait for this job to be finished. And once this job is finished, we're going to see all of our content in these 3 destinations. Now I've told you about what ImpulseSync is. Let's go over what ImpulseSync is not. ImpulseSync is not a packaged bundle of preset custom scripts under the hood. ImpulseSync is not an ETL or collection of applications running in the background. What ImpulseSync is a single platform created specifically to extract and deliver content anywhere, anytime. And once this job is finished running, you're going to see the content being moved over live. Our job has just finished running, and we can see on our right side, if we just refresh each of these CMSs, we will see our content now living in this destination. And we can see that it migrated over exactly as we needed and exactly as we wanted. Now, if you are interested or want to know more about ImpulseSync, please contact us today and we will get you set up with a live demo of content that you use on a daily basis. Contact us today to learn more about ImpulseSync.